I first came into the market 6 years ago, one of the first price action strategy I learned was support and resistance. When I first learned about this strategy, believe me guys, I thought it was the holy grail that in the next year I'll become a millionaire trader trading support and resistance. Not because support and resistance strategy doesn't work, but because it is stand-alone strategy, there are other things you still need to implement. But in this video, I'm going to break down the reason why support and resistance doesn't work alone and things to add to your support and resistance strategy in order for you to get the result you want. But before that, we are going to talk about what is support and resistance. So support is a level where price will stop falling and bounce back. Then resistance is a level where price will stop rising and bounce back, just like this. So here now, here is the support, just like this. And here is the resistance, just like this. One of the best way to describe support and resistance is that support is the floor, just like this. Then resistance is the ceiling. All right, that is the best way to describe support and resistance. So this is the concept of support and resistance. Now, this is a support just like this here. Support here. Let me change that color to green. And here is the resistance just like this. So right now, the floor is the support, resistance is the ceiling. You understand? This is the whole picture of support and resistance. Now, how support and resistance works is that we have a support here. The market will go up, give us a resistance. The market will fall back to give us a support and fall from support to give us a resistance. This is a whole picture of support and resistance. This is a resistance zone here. This is a resistance zone here. This is a resistance zone here. And right now, here is the support. This is the first support. This is the first resistance. You understand? So now, this is the picture of support and resistance, guys. The floor is the support, and your ceiling, which is your roof, is your resistance. All right. So one of the first thing you need to pay attention to when it comes to support and resistance is market structure. Now, this is the problem beginners traders have. They don't understand market structure. And when you don't understand market structure, you will fail as a trader. You understand? When you don't understand market structure, you can't just trade with support and resistance. You understand? So right now, when the market is going to the upside, the forex market moves in 3 ways. Yes, the uptrend, the downtrend, and the sideways. But when the market is moving to the upside, going to the upside on a bullish move, we will have a series of higher highs here and higher lows, higher highs here and higher lows, higher highs here and higher lows. You understand? So now, on here is your resistance zone. This is a resistance zone. Now, would price come to a resistance and you just start selling? No, this is a bad idea. Because of what? We have the market going to the upside on a bullish move. All right. You are not expected to start selling, because when you do, the market will, when you start selling, immediately you see your resistance zone just like this. When you start selling, the market won't just come down, the market will hit your stop loss to the upside. This is the whole idea of trading with the trend. All right. So let's quickly do example of a bearish move now. So now, when the market is going to the downside, to be making a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, just like this. So here is your support. Here is your support. Is it advisable to start selling? Here is your support, right? Now, you have the market come to your support. Is it advisable to start selling, just like to start buying at your support? No. You understand? Because of what? The market is on a bearish move. You should only look to buy. At the other break, pull back, and retest. So guys, this is the whole idea behind all this thing. Market structure is a natural phase of the market, guys, and price is going to be trending higher and trending lower. You understand? When price is trending higher, you are only allowed to look for buying opportunities. And when price is trending lower, which is on a bearish move, you are only allowed to look for sell opportunities. And now, as a support and resistance traders, these are the things we take advantage of. We take advantage of the recent support. We wait for the market to break our recent low, pull back to retest, then we look for our sell positions there. Pull back to retest just like this, then we look for our sell positions there. You understand? The same thing with the uptrend. These are the things we take advantage of. We take advantage of the resistance zone, break, come back to retest. We look for our buy position. We wait for break, come back to retest. We look for our buy positions. This is the whole idea of market structure. And whenever you want to trade support and resistance, you need to pay attention to market structure. You need to know what the market is doing. All right. You need to know the direction of the market, know where the market is heading to before you can start looking for your support and resistance zones. So now, guys, before we furthermore, I got something for you guys. All right. I thought of a way to help you guys become profitable fast. So I write a book titled Advanced Forex Trading Course. The Advanced Forex Trading Course is all you need to become a consistently profitable trader. The book is not like the internet type that has no value in it. Trust me, you can never read this book and still stay the same. You understand? As before, I have uploaded everything that I learned for the past 6 years in this book. I mean everything that made me a consistent and profitable trader. I have uploaded them in this book. Forex trading is not hard at all, guys. We only make it hard, right? The book is very few but essentially powerful. Do you understand? The book is very few but essentially powerful. This book is the essential guide to becoming a profitable trader. All right. And now these are some of the benefits that you need to start making money in trading. You understand? There are many more benefits in this book, but these are some of the benefits. Now, one of the benefits is what is trading and how can you earn money with it? The fundamentals to become a profitable trader. 3, why 90% of traders lose money and how to be part of the top 10% that win. You understand? That's number 3. Number 4 is main mistake of people who lose money. Number 5, habit or what a trader does to become successful. And 6, what do you need to earn money from trading? All right. Then 7 is 85% win rate strategy. Then we'll have proper risk management, proper risk trade and money management. Then good trading psychology and many concrete informations. Guys, you cannot read this book and remain the same. This is a 6 years trading experience I have uploaded in one book. And now I am giving out a free 6-month mentorship for the first 20 people to get this book for just $10, guys. This book is just $10. All right, it's nothing too much, and that is why I decided to help, and that is why I made this book $10. All right, so guys, hurry up now and get yours now. Without further ado, guys, let's head straight to the main reason for this video. So right now, guys, let's make an example of what I'm talking about. Right now, this is a trade here. This is a trade here on the US 30 on the 15-minute time frame. All right, so now this is an example of what I'm telling you guys. Now we have our resistance zone here, just like this. A resistance zone just like this, right? Immediately price come to your resistance. Immediately price came to your resistance there, you start selling. Let's say you sell from this level, you refuse to wait for your confirmation. You sell from this level, risking, let's say you're risking 40 points to US 30 to make, that's 1 to 3 to make, yeah, you're risking 40 points here to make, let's say 40 points to make one, okay, now let's make it 50 points to be understandable for you guys. So now you're risking 50 points here to make what? To make 150 points, just like this on US 30. And right now, this is a resistance, right? And right now, you just enter the trade like this. The market just came on your direction. The market went on your direction a little bit, and now the market reverses to hit your stop loss. If you understand what trend is, this market won't hit your stop loss. Do you understand? If you understand what trend is. So right now, this is another example of what I'm talking about now. Now we have this resistance zone now. And immediately price came to resistance, you bought from this level. And after you bought, you put your TP, your stop loss here. You understand? You're risking 1 to make 5. And now the market went on your favor a little bit, hit you out again. And you start complaining, why do I keep losing trade just like this? And the reason why you keep losing trade like this is because you don't know the market direction. You don't know about market structure. And that is why you kept losing trade just like this. All right. That is not the best way to trade, guys. That isn't the best way to trade. Now let's check on the 1 hour time frame. Let's shrink and find our levels here right now. Let's see what's going on there. Let's find our level here and how we can trade the support and resistance the best way. So now, if you can see now, we have this market has been going to the upside. This market is on a bullish move, just like this, right? Then we have this big double top. Then this is a change of structure, all right? A big double top and a neckline. Then that gives us a change of structure, all right? So right now, this is your neckline. That is your support, right? That is your support. Because if you extend it to this level, you can see that it's your support. You understand? Because this may be the resistance here. This is the resistance, and here this is the neckline now. You understand? So right now, what happened here? What do we have here? We have the market after this change of structure. We have the market give us this lower lows here, lower highs here. We have a lower lows. Then the market reversed. You understand? And now this is a support. The market, you see the market reverse here, to pull back and retest just like this. Then we look to sell. Whenever you sell this type of trade, it will never come back to hit your stop loss. You understand? Even though you can draw it to the downside, you can see, but the market will never come back and hit your stop loss because of what? You waited for your confirmation. You understand? That is why you are not allowed or supposed to trade support and resistance alone. Now, guys, so let's see what happened here. We have a support here. We extend it to this level. That's a real support there. So we have a support zone here, first support, second support. What do we have here? We have the market break this our support zone, come back to retest and give us a bearish engulfing. You understand? So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to look for a selling opportunity just like this. You understand? A sell opportunity just like this. So you can see now that we are not just trading the support and resistance alone. There are other confluences like support and resistance, which is the one you know. Then there are break and retest. You wait for your candlestick confirmation and the trend confirmation again. What is the current trend of the market? That's a confirmation for you too, to also take your long or short position. So right now we have a support here. You understand? Now the market broke our support just like this, our support zone just like this. Pull back to this level just like this. Although we have an overextension to this level, which it will be looking for your stop loss. The market is just acting and looking for your stop loss around that level. So right now we have a retest. We have the market pull back like this, a retest here. Then after the retest here, this is our candlestick confirmation. There we'll look to sell just from this level. Put our TP there, and guys, put our stop loss there and TP here, guys. So now this is just the best way to trade your support and resistance. Understand? When you extend this level to this level now, what do you see now? You can see that after this level, after it happens here, it extended, right? The market make it a resistance here. What if we sold from this level now? We will only take a small profit. What if we sold from this level, TP around TP, let's say TP below here? You understand? What if we sold before that level? What would you have? We have the market, we will have the market retrace a little bit, give you small profit and boom, hit you out again. You understand? So you may want to be trading with the trend, understand market structure, trade with, understand a change of structure and all these things. You understand? So after the market gave you a resistance and pullback, there we have a break, retest. Then we have a candlestick confirmation. This is your long positions here. You can put TP here just like this. Then put your stop loss here. That's a whole whopping 1 to 6 RR. How you can become profitable, how you can trade is in that ebook. Guys, I will advise you, rush and get the ebook now, guys. Rush and get the ebook now. So guys, this is the whole picture of support and resistance. You understand? So this is what you should be looking for, and this is how you should trade support and resistance successfully. All right. So I believe you guys understand, guys, and peace.